Okay, Fred Burrow, Swift Plumbers, and we just did an emergency repair. They had water flooding in this home under the carpet. I'm recording this for insurance purposes. Right here, this fitting was leaking going into there. So we've cut this apart. We've got the water back on, and you can see we've reattached this and adapted over to the poly. And you can see all of our water's on, and we have no leaks or anything underneath here at this time. But I wanted to mention that this leak had gone on for a long time, and you can see how this cabinet's damaged. So for insurance purposes, I wanted to show this because if she were to go through insurance, she'd be ripping out all of these cabinets likely. And then it went through this area. Does she want me to pull this carpet up?
Is that okay? Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do it for her. Here. And we also got wet all on this side. So I'm gonna pull this. Hey, do me a favor. Record me. What we're doing here. Oh, you can see how it seems to be coming apart here. So you can see that whole baseboard is discolored all the way back this way.
Is it really?
Going that way.
Let me
See that water stain is right here?
Oh my goodness.
It's going back that way. So a lot of times you don't realize how much.
That's just it.
See that
so
patch
I'm glad
strip there?
Yeah, that's what that's what I was
Yeah.
really worried about.
So, and then you'll see that.
Seeing, yeah. So they really need to replace that strip
Yeah, that
too.
tack strip right
Yeah.
there. But it's already pretty dry. You've done a great
Yeah,
job drying
yeah, I've
that
been
out.
really
Okay.
jumping ahead. That's
So
where it
hit
comes
end
from.
on that video, Andrew.